Hey guys, how's it going? Nazar here, you're watching Nostalgic. Today we're opening up this. This is another addition to my collection. I don't know if you noticed. Whatever might it be, I don't know. Definitely not that one. But yeah, I have many different examples. Any hoozle. This is the private goods model PGM. Um, this is basically like top of the line 164 scale die cast with opening everything essentially uh, model. These puppies are not cheap. However, you guys know me. I don't buy things full retail on rare occasion, but I have to be a very frugal collector, and somebody on eBay, since you can see it's been opened, these things go for like $100 and up, and I got this for like half that, uh, maybe even less, to be honest with you. So I got very lucky, and I'm very excited. This just came in the mail, and I was like, I am opening this right now. Again, apologies for the sounds that you're hearing. That's my cat Oliver chasing a bottle cap on the ground. So let's tear into this, open it up, then compare it to different things, and be happy. Yeah. All right. So we'll put the PGM right there. Oh, this has like a flappy McFlapper. Oh, okay. I actually didn't even know it was gonna be in this display cylinder thing. I thought it was gonna be in a, like a regular cube situation. So this comes with, I know what this is. These are basically little things to like open the doors with, pry things with, to be, gentle with the car with. So we'll get to that. Oh, that's right. It comes with an extra engine block. Oh, dude. Okay. Again, guys, like I said, this is by no means in any way a toy. Um, oh my god. Oh my god, man. Does that look like something you guys recognize? Oh, oh my god. Oh, this is so cool. It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die. Wow. Talk about presentation. My god. Wow. Okay, let's it's nice and felt on the bottom here. Let's see, does it take a is it just tension? Oh, this is actually sealed here. Well, maybe it wasn't. No, I see, you can see a little bit of a push-up situation right there. So we will get rid of that. Hopefully nothing's damaged since this is no longer sealed or wasn't sealed. I don't need those. If anything, I will put other tape on here because this thing's just gonna start looking janky if you remove these little stickers too often. All right. There we go. Oh, wow. Oh, man. Wow. Wow. So far, nothing's missing, nothing's scratched. So let's have a look closer here real quick before we look at other things. This says PGM Nismo R34 Z-Tune limited edition. Oh, I got the under the first 100. That's kind of cool. So I have number 72 out of 999 pieces in the world. So you guys know I'm a back to the Furious. I'm also a Back to the Future collector, but I am a huge Fast and the Furious collector. As you can see in the background here, That's some of my stuff of just the R34. I collect, I have a complete up to date collection of all Hot Wheels releases of Fast and the Furious. And then I have a whole bunch of other companies that have released different things, different models. And yeah, this was something I had to get. Um, yeah, those of you watching who are like, "Oh my god, that's crazy expensive. I can't afford that." That I can't afford this either. I was smart enough to find one for an incredible price. So, um and this is only my second ever PGM model because they're so expensive. I'll show you the other one. It's an F40 Ferrari. And you can check out that review on my channel if you like. So right now, let's take a look at what's in this little cone here. Whew, excuse me. So this comes with a spare engine, or like a burnt out engine. I'm not sure what's going on here. I didn't research this. I just saw PGM. I need it. So yeah, this one comes with an extra everything here. Wow. Okay, you know what we need, guys? I think we need a little bit of a platform. Excuse me. Oh. All right, here we go. Now let's put that right there. Let's put this right here. I just don't want to lose anything here. Okay. And the rest of the box is fine. Okay. So how do we take this off the base? Okay. So I think this unscrews, right? Oh, okay. This just... Oh. Look at that. Is that a magnet? What the heck? This is an actual, what do you call it? Bearing. Ring bearing. This thing's heavy. What? So that's just for this to have a smooth spinning situation. Wow. Okay. Okay, so we'll keep it on this beautiful felt stand for now. Let me zoom in here a little bit. Okay. How's that for you guys? Okay, so for this we're gonna need this bad boy. Bear with me, guys. I don't even know if I think everything opens from what I remember. It better. So, let's see. Let's start with the hood. And let's get you guys a little bit closer here. Because that's just, come on now. Just gonna get this thing closer. Okay. Let's get this hood opened. Dang. Alright. Okay, let's get the door. Oh, come on. Still need to be careful here. This one's a little... Yeah, that's better. Okay. Wow. Oh my god, that is freaking cool. Okay. There's the trunk. Are you kidding me? Guys, this is by far the best R34 for Fast and the Furious. that I have. This one's gonna be a little bit tough. Excuse me for the breathing. I'm literally 1 inch away from the freaking phone here. Oh, there we go. Just had to. I really don't like pulling by that mirror, but there we go. Wow. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just kind of sitting back, taking this in. That is amazing. Oliver, man, come on. What an amazing piece of freaking art. That is ridiculous. Well, let's see if I can take that off and just kind of handhold this because that's ridiculous. Let's zoom in here real quick into that engine bay. Have a look-see. That is not bad at all. As you can see, the camera is like struggling because I'm really zooming in here. That's not bad at all. Yeah, again, sorry guys, I'm just very incredibly impressed by this. Look at the disc brakes calipers right there. The mirrors have little mirrory stickers on them. I wonder if we can take a peek inside the interior. Look at that. Let's have a look at, oh, let's have a spin here and have a look at the actual driver's side. Okay. To really brighten that up, jeez. That's incredible, guys. Wow. That's what I call a beautiful piece of art. The beautiful headlights, acrylic, of course. You got the mesh grill right there. Sorry, I was laughing at the cat. Those door hinges look fantastic. Let's have a look inside there. Yeah, those are on like these nice little springs right there. Check that out. Not too shabby. You don't have some like bulky big thing, you know? So there's the translucent red acrylic inserts for the tail lights, which are freaking amazing. It's all amazing. My God. Okay, I think it's time to take this off. Take this off the base. Give me 1 second, guys.